channel. Today in this video we'll be learning how to prepare a PPT. Let's get started. Making your presentation more interesting with the use of multimedia can improve your audience focus, and also it allows us to use images, audio, video for better visual quality. This audio video clues helps a presenter to be more interactive with their audience. So it's very necessary and important how to prepare a PPT. I'll show you exact steps how to prepare a PPT. Let's get into my computer.
Right, now we can see the different templates and themes which is available over here. You can just select any template which is required for you. I'll just go and tap on blank presentation from scratch. This is the exact overview of PowerPoint. This is the tab section and this is the ribbon section. This is the layout, title and subtitle layout. Now you can add your title. I'll just type welcome back to Adhyapana channel. Now I will change the style. There are so many options. I'll just go with Times New Roman. I can change the size also. I'll change the color. If you want to customize your own color, just tap on more colors so that you can customize your own color as per your requirements. If you want to make this title bold, you can just tap on bold. Or else if you want to make it italic, you can also click on this. If you want to underline, you can also go for this. Just add subtitle. I'll just type digital marketing. You can also change the color, size and font over here. If you want to add new slide, just tap on this so that you can add so many new slide over here. For example, if you want to create your own customized format background, just tap on right click on format background, just tap on picture or texture fill, select file, select the images whichever you want. I'll just give insert so that this is my customized format background. You can also set the transparency. You can decrease or increase the transparency. If you want the same format background for all the slides, just tap on apply to all so that your all slides will be in the same format background. If you want to delete this, just tap on this and delete so that the title or the subtitle, if you don't like, you can also delete that. If you want different layout, just tap on layout. First one which has been shown to you is this title slide with title with subtitle. You have title and content. You can also go for section header if you want only section part. If you want two content, if you want to have different kind of images or charts or pie charts, you can just go for two content. If you want to compare any two topics, you can just go and select this comparison layout. If you want only title part, you can just go for this. You can also go without any title or subtitle or any content. If you prefer, you can just go for layout blank. If you want content with caption with images, you can just select this content with caption. If you want picture with captions, just go with this layout. For example, if you are giving any interview or if you are going to give any presentation, if you want to make your presentation very clear without getting any confused, we have another option such as section. Just tap on add section so that from first to 5 slide will be under one section. You can also rename this. This is the dialog box. You can also rename this. I'll just type introduction so that from 1 to 5 slide will be under part of introduction. If you want to make the another part, you can also go for section. Again tap on add section so that 6, 7, 8 will be under one section. You can also rename in the dialog box. I'll just give information or body part so that your information of a slide will be in the easier part. You can just collapse this for the easier view so that we can come to know that introduction I have 5 slides and information I have 3 slides. If you want to remove all this section, just tap on section and remove all sections so that you will not have any section under your slide view. Now I'll go for insert. You can also insert the table. You can also select the table 5 into 3 or 6 into 5 or 8 into 6 or 9 into 6 or whichever table or whichever size you want. I'll just go with 7 into 7. Now we have so many options for color filling. I'll go for this color. Just I will look on this. You can also shade the color, you can also select the backgrounds, or you can also select the borders if you want all borders, or if you don't like to keep the borders you can go for this, or if you want only selected borders, for example top or bottom or left or right, you can select over here. And if you want to add pictures, or if you want to add online picture from Google, you can select from here, or if you want to add screenshot, or if you want to select photo album, you can also go for this. If you want to add shapes, select over here. I'll just go with rectangle. I'll just drag and drop. You can also shape fill whichever color you want. You can also outerline the color. We have so many options, such kind. If you want to add your slide for animation effects, just tap on this, go for animation. You can have so many effects which is available over here. I'll just go with simple effect, that is flying, so that my flying will be in the form of second slide. You can also select the shapes. I'll go for shape effect, so that my slide will be in the another format. If you want to review our slideshow, you can just press on this, so they can preview this slide. This is in the animated form. Now I'll show you the example of prepared PPT, so that you will have clear idea. This is the prepared PPT. Once after learning all the effects which have been shown to you, you'll be able to make such kind of PPT.
I hope this video helped you how to prepare a PPT. For more videos, please do subscribe and don't forget to like, share and comment. Post any questions or suggestions in the comment section so that I'll come up in the next video.